All right, this is Mr. White, and I wanted to show you a few of the details behind signing up for your summer work. So I've had a few questions, and I just wanted to make this video, and hopefully it'll clarify things. So right here on this screen, you can see where I have created a profile. This is an example student profile, and let's say that I want to sign up for Mr. White's Algebra 2 class. So if I wanted to do that, I would click and go to atlantagirlsschool.org/textbooks. And here it will tell you the books that we're going to be using and as well as your summer work. So if I scroll down, I can see Algebra 2. I'll click that right there, and it will open up a document that we can use in order to, it gives us the instructions on how to sign up for our summer work. So there's a couple different ways to do it, but probably the easiest would be for you to just go ahead and either click or copy and paste this web address into your browser. I think this works probably better from a computer than from a mobile device, but it should work either way. So if I click on this, it will take me to a screen on Khan Academy where it asks me if I would like to join the class. So I'll go ahead and click Join Class. And at first, nothing's going to change. What has to happen is I, as the teacher, have to go in and accept your role in the class as a student. So I'm going to pause the video, go do that, and then we'll see how things change. So now that on my end as the teacher I've gone in and accepted you as a member of the class, there's actually a new option up here that says assignments on your Khan Academy page. Now, again, I'm not sure how it looks on the mobile side, though I have worked with a student and you are able to access the assignments just in a different place. So if I click on assignments now, I am going to see all of the things that I need to complete over the summer. Now, it looks like a lot, but if you're able to knock out one or two a day and they're not huge, that's something you should be able to do and get it all done in time. You also have the option through Khan Academy to use the videos and things like that to get help if you have questions. And you can also, of course, email me or your teacher, and they can provide some help if you need it. If you are in Math 6, Pre-Algebra or Algebra 1, there will be some more on here, and that's because we have included the links to which videos and articles that you should check out to make sure you're good to do the exercises. But if you're really wanting to just get the stuff done that you need to make sure is done by August 23rd, look for the items that have the star next to them, okay? So you should not be going through and doing all of the assignments for a particular class. All of the stuff that's being assigned is review, so this should not be an overwhelming process. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me at the school, or you can email me rwhite@atlantagirlsschool.org. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy your summer.